Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of secondary, we are going to solve problems of Egyptian Knowledge Bank. We will start with the first part. Question 1. Here we have. Choose the correct answer. Who discovered that determination of both position and momentum of an electron at the same time is practically impossible? Who? It will be Heisenberg. Another question for the same sign. Question 2. Who first introduced the uncertainty principle? We have here also Heisenberg. Third question here. We have drawing. Which of the density maps most accurately represents the possible location of electron in an atom of hydrogen according to the quantum theory of the atom? It will be discussed that all the matter concentrated in the center. It means that the drawing will be number B, or the choose will be number B. Question 4. We have here graph shows the probability of finding electron at a distance from the nucleus in the first s or 1s orbital of an atom of hydrogen. At what approximate distance is the electron most likely to be found from the nucleus? Okay, here we have assumption that as electron will move away or at a point 50 when you look at the graph. Question 5 here. In the Bohr model of hydrogen atom, which of the following is correct? We have different choices here. The electron occupies the energy level farthest from the nucleus to generate its ground state. The electron occupies the energy level nearest to the nucleus to generate its excited state. The electron occupies the space between the energy level to generate its ground state. Almost it will be wrong. The electron occupies the energy level nearest to the nucleus to generate its ground state. So I think it will be, what do you think about it? I think it will be number D. The electron occupies the energy level nearest to the nucleus as it has smallest energy to generate its ground state. Question number 6 here we have. Who created an equation that could describe the electron wave motion in the atom? Okay, it will be described by Schrdinger. Question number 7. Who established the quantum mechanical model of the atom? I think it's very easy. Schrdinger. We have here 2 questions for Schrdinger. Question number 8. Who proposed a hypothesis that all matter, including electrons, can have wave-like properties? I think it will be so easy. It will be de Broglie. Question number 9 here. In general, which of the following statement is true? We have different choices. The amount of energy required to promote an electron from one energy level to higher energy level decreases as we go further from the nucleus. The amount of energy required to promote an electron from one energy level to higher energy level remains constant as we go farther from the nucleus. I think number B will be wrong, as the distance from the or between the energy levels will be different. Amount of energy required to promote an electron from one energy level to higher energy level increases as we go farther from the nucleus. What do you think about A and C? Do you think what? I think number A will be the true answer. The amount of energy required to promote the electron from one energy level to a higher energy level decreases as we go from or as we go farther from the nucleus. Why? As the nucleus decreases its attraction force to the electron and the distance will be away from the nucleus. Okay? Question number 10 here we have, which of the following is not limitation of Bohr model of the atom? Electrons move around the nucleus in circular or planar paths. Okay, I think it's right. Electrons are only considered as particle and not as waves. Also, it's right, proposed by Bohr. It's possible to precisely determine the position and the momentum of an electron simulately. Okay, maybe. Electrons within atoms can only occupy quantized energy levels. Okay, maybe. It explains the line emission spectrum of hydrogen atom only. What do we think about? I think it's easy to know that electrons within atom can only occupy quantized energy level. Bohr supposes that electrons can be present in a condensed state, in cloud motion, or not in a fixed place or in a quantized energy level. Question number 11, here we have, during the transition of an electron in hydrogen bond, what do you think about it? Photons are produced. Which of them will have the lowest wavelengths? If we want to compare between the different answers here. Okay, here we have N, or means the energy level 3, to energy level number 2. It will be not right. Here we have from 4 to 3, maybe have short wavelengths. From 4 to 1, yes, short also. From 3 to 1, also short. When we compare between them, we will discover that number C from 4 to 1. Okay, so here we have lowest or shortest wavelengths, as we comparing it as like ultraviolet radiation. Here we have the lowest wavelengths if we go from energy level number 4 to energy level number 1. So we have here lowest wavelengths. Question number 12. Which of the following is correct when the electron in an atom acquires a quantity of energy by heat or by electric discharge? We have here different choices. Electron jump to a higher energy level and stays there. Electron jump temporarily to a higher energy level, then return to its original level with an emission of a lower quantum energy. I think it may be right. We will discuss it. The electron jump temporarily to a higher energy level, then it returns to its original level with emission of the same quantum of energy. What is the difference between A, B, and C? Here we have the first one, here we have lower, and here we have same quantum. The same choices here we have B and C, but the difference between them same. Okay. Question number 13. Which of the following is true about an electron? What do you think about? It's located farther from the nucleus when excited. It's located farther than the nucleus when it is in its ground state. I think it's wrong. It is located in the nucleus when excited. No, it's a way answer. It's located closer to the nucleus when excited. I think it's also wrong. So the answer will be number A. It is located farther from the nucleus when excited. Question number 14. According to the modern atomic theory, which of the following is correct? The electron behave as a wave only. The electron behave both as a material particle and as a wave. The electron moves in a fixed circular orbit around the nucleus. Electron behaves as a material particle only. Do you think what? I think number B will be the right. The electron behaves both as material particle and as a wave. I hope we will discuss another questions Wait for us for the rest of questions of our knowledge bank questions.